Hello, welcome to Creative Hub. In today's video, I am going to share a few tips and tricks how you can learn so effectively and quickly that it might feel illegal. So let's dive into the video. Studying effectively and efficiently is more about smart strategies than cramming or overworking yourself. Here are techniques to help you learn so quickly and effectively that it might feel illegal. So, studying smartly and quickly is very important so you cannot burden yourself. First of all, prioritize active learning. Prioritizing active learning is very important. Summarize in your own words. After reading a topic, explain it to yourself or someone else without looking at the text. Teach what you learn. Pretend you are teaching someone else. It forces deeper understanding than anything else. Ask questions. Challenge yourself with why, how, and what if questions about the material that you are studying. Use the Feynman technique. Choose a concept and write it out as if you are teaching it to the beginner. Identify gaps in your understandings and simplify and repeat until it's crystal clear. Identifying gap is really very important. Then comes focus on key points. You should focus on key points. Identify 8 to 20 topics. Focus on 20% of the material that delivers 80% of the results, like core principles and common themes. Use bolded terms, summaries, and questions in textbooks as a guide. Focusing on key concepts really help you grow through your concepts. Then comes leverage spaced repetitions. It is very important. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to revisit topics at increasing intervals. Spaced repetitions strengthens memory better than last minute cramming. Last minute cramming is not good for your studies. So leverage spaced repetition is very important. Master the art of chunking. Break down information into smaller and meaningful chunks. Example, memorize some words by dividing into chunks. For example, chunking, you should divide into chunk and ing so that you can master the art of memorizing some stuff. So master the art of chunking. Active recall is the king. Quiz yourself regularly without looking at your notes. To take quiz of yourself helps you grow to your concepts, help to clear your concepts, help to tackle you with every situation that comes for. Studies show practice is far more effective than rereading. So active recalling is the king. Then comes optimize your environment. Study in a distraction-free zone. Phones off, notification silence. Do not use social media. Do not go to the Instagram, keep scrolling or some stuff. Use background noise apps like Coffee if silence is distracting. Sometimes silence is also distracting. Hack your brain chemistry. Study in 90-minute session with breaks. Exercise before studying. It boosts memory and focus. Stay hydrated. Eat brain boosting nuts. Use mnemonics and memory tricks as well. Using mnemonics and memory tricks helps you grow to your concepts. Focus deeply with Pomodoro concept. Work for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer 15 to 20 minutes break. This will help you focus more effectively into your studies.